We talked about using zip files with Python. Now let's try implementing it. Import the zip file class from zip file. Also import OS and move to documents. We have this file demo.zip here. Now open it and list out the contents and then extract everything. So you'll see it has extracted all the contents. We could also extract just one file. Now this function walks through the entire demo folder, and in every iteration it appends the files to paths, which is a list. We then create a zip file object in write mode and use write to write all the files to the zip. This way we write to the zip. And here we use InfoList to create an object of the ZipInfo class. Then we get all the information, the file name, file modification data, zip version, and the sizes of files.